everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the free content planner that you can find in the description below by subscribing to my newsletter. I'll also show you how to create your own if that's something you want to do and you want to sell on Etsy, for example, but that's going to be on the second part of the video because I'm guessing some people will just want to, use the one that's available. So first up, you choose the date. So for example, if it's January, you choose January. If it's February, you choose February. And then here you choose when you want to start. So let's say if it's, you don't want to start on Wednesday, maybe you want to start on Monday. So you just choose Monday, and then this will get automatically updated. Then you can just drag it like this, and then all the days are ready for you. Now, let's say you don't post on Saturday or Sunday, no problem. Then you just choose the next day and then drag. Then for this, you will just copy this, or that's what I do, and then paste it over here. And then I see that the last day was 14th, so then I'm gonna choose the 15th and then drag it, and the process continues. Change it to Monday, for example, and drag it out. So it's very easy to use. And the best part about it is that, for example, let's say you post on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. What you can do is you can duplicate this sheet and then say, for example, that it's January, and then choose that it's Facebook. So now you choose that it's Facebook, and you can just drag it out, and then all the images from your Instagram feed that you put over here are actually going to be updated throughout all of your planners. So whether you're posting on Instagram, for example, or Facebook or TikTok or Pinterest or anything else, your captions could be different, and you could, prepare everything really quickly. One difference though between the paid and free version is that in the free version you have to add hashtags manually yourself. In the paid version, what you do is you go to the hashtags tool, and then over here you choose the hashtags you like. I always add the post number, and you actually have 90 hashtags ready for you, but that you can sort, for example, mix it up if you want to, or change it by color, because the fill color actually decides whether it's the medium size hashtags or the small hashtags. And as you can see, this part was updated. So we have the first group, and then we have other mixed hashtags, so you never post just, the same hashtags over and over again. Now, the paid version also, you can choose different colors of the planner. So this is the retro style planner, for example. This was the pop color. This is earthy tones. And as you can see, they're changing throughout the planner as well. And then here we have this one, for example, which is the purple content planner, and you also have the tracker ready for you, so you can follow your followers, top post reach, or whichever other metric you want. So this is completely personal, because some people don't care about followers, they care about reach. So that's for you to decide. This one is the airy content planner colors. This one is orange and teal. And even if you don't like any of these, what you can do is just send me the hex codes. So you would just, select the colors yourself and then send me the hex codes like that. And then I will create the personalized version, and it's not going to be much more expensive than the regular planner. So here we have it, and now let's go here. So this is honestly, that's it. That's all you need to do. One thing you may want to know is how to add these images. So what I do personally is I go to Canva and I choose this particular size, and then I create my post over here like this. So I create just a page, and this is a paid version of Canva. So then I'll go to my elements, and then I'm gonna go find my grids like this. Sometimes they don't show up, so then just type in grids. And then here you're gonna scroll down, and there is the grid that is perfect for Instagram. It's just a little bit further away. I wish they had it, closer, or I wish grids had names so you wouldn't have to do it like that, but unfortunately they don't. So once you find this specific one, you click on it, and then here you just add your images by dragging and dropping and seeing what looks good. You can always edit the image and make it black or white, or you can, decrease the saturation or increase the brightness and stuff like that. I wouldn't do it too much. It's better to do this on Lightroom, on your phone app, or on desktop version. But a little bit, if you increase the brightness a little bit, it's not gonna destroy the image, and honestly, it looks really nice when it's matching. Okay, so after that, you're gonna download this image. So you would just click here, click download, and choose the file you need, and that's that. And then you're gonna go to split image, upload the file. So just choose file here, upload it, then choose both grid, 3 blocks, and then download the zip file, and that's it. And what I do next actually is I upload it to my Google Drive folder, because when I go to my planner over here, and if I add the images, so let me just start from the bottom, and then I'm gonna insert image in cell, and then I have my Google Drive here, so I can actually find it over here and just add it like that. So I'm just gonna choose the one I want and insert. And now my feed has been updated and my image is ready, and it's ready for Instagram, it's ready for Facebook as well. So that's very, very nice. Now for these, you can also change them. So if you just go to setup and just type in something else over here, then it's going to be updated throughout all of your spreadsheets. Now, how do you create something like this? So to create your own spreadsheet, you will click, obviously we're going to create a new one. So let me just create a new one. And then we're going to first create the feed images. So we're going to choose 3 cells, and then I'm going to choose some more and make basically a square shape. And don't worry too much about the shape that just yet, because we will adjust it once we upload the images, because we know those are correct size. So I usually delete these. I don't really want to see them, so I'm just going to delete the columns. And then here I can insert my image. So I could go insert in cell. Same thing, I'm just gonna go to Google Drive and choose the images from there and click insert. So, and now that they're inserted, we're going to be able to really quickly adjust the way they look. So you don't have to upload to Google Drive. You can easily, upload it from your computer, but I feel like it just makes it faster for me, so I prefer to do it that way. So now we have 3 images, and now I'm going to select these, go to the front, and then now I'm going to adjust them to what it looks like. So now they are square, ready to be used. You could also add 1 line above and just merge the cell and type in January, for example. And then we do a little bit of formatting very quickly, and that makes it look better. So here we have January ready for us. Maybe a little bit too big. So here, and now we're gonna, so this is our feed tab, and then we're gonna create a new one, and this is gonna be our January tab. So here I'm gonna select 7 cells over here, and these ones I'm gonna delete. I don't need them. So where is it? Okay, here they are. So now that I have them, I'm gonna merge, and then here you can actually just use this sign and then go to feed and choose this one, and it updates it here automatically. The only thing is the formatting might be different, so you will need to change that. So I have my January ready, and now for the feed images, I'm just gonna drag and I'm gonna move these cells as well. And then what we need to do is, again, we make the sign and then we go back and add the image. So you would start from the bottom, but because I only have 3 images, I'm just gonna start from this one, and then I'm gonna add another one and just click on it, and then same thing, and another one. So it's super easy. And now I'm gonna select it and again adjust it. So I choose this cell that has an image and I'm just gonna drag it a little bit. And here we go. We have the image ready for us. Now, another thing you're probably gonna wonder is how to create a drop down. So actually, Google Sheets made it easier, and now you can just choose drop down over here, and then you can just type in Facebook, Instagram, let's say YouTube, and you can change these values at any time. So let's say Facebook is gonna be blue, Instagram is gonna be purple, and then YouTube is gonna be red, and I'm gonna click done. I'm gonna drag this particular cell throughout, and then I can just choose, you know, if it's Facebook or anything. So you can immediately change it to Facebook, for example, and then you can duplicate this sheet and say Instagram, you know. So we're gonna drag it like that. And you know, you can drag it throughout all the sheets. Now another thing you're gonna want to do, let's say you want these to be bigger, the only way to do that is actually to increase the size, and then you make it in the middle if you want, and that's basically that. So I hope that this video is helpful. If you have any questions, if you would want me to create a more detailed version of this, just let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and happy planning.